Hi everyone, for today's video I just wanted to show you my INTEX ZX 300 Deluxe Pressure Side Vacuum. So this vacuum is listed at $199 in Amazon, but right now it's on sale for $109, so you save about $99 on this one. I've been using this vacuum for a month now and I'm very happy with it. So this thing comes with a 21-foot tangle-free hose, and the hose is actually a good quality hose. I never see it tangle. I don't have any problem with it. Another good feature about this is this thing can actually climb through wall as compared to the ZX100 that I also reviewed. This thing moves a lot of water as well. So this requires a 1600 gallon to 3500 gallon per hour filter pump, but the water that comes out of this is about 700 gallon per hour. So that means that you're losing some pressure from your pump when you're using this vacuum, okay? But don't worry, I'm going to show you later how this vacuum will recover that loss in water pressure, okay? So this thing moves back and forth, and if you look over here, it has a little ball right here. Okay, so I think that is what causes it to move up and down the wall. I'm not sure, but it seemed to like stay up the wall for a few seconds and then move around and then move back down. So if you look under, you're going to see there is a dual dirt scrubbers. It also have this cleaning comb right here so that it collects more dirt. And this thing have a larger capacity tray. So let me open this for you. I'm not sure if this is dirty or not. You can see here I have some dirt collected, okay, because I just cleaned it yesterday. So this thing is very easy to clean. All you need to do is pull this thing up, and you can see these are the dirt that it collected, and all you need to do is just spray it off, okay? And then after you clean it, just put the screen back on, and if you look here inside, you'll see that there are some motors right here that helps push the vacuum back and forth, okay? And to put it back, all you need to do is just align it right here and close one down and the other one up. Now I want to talk about this pressure side fitting. So if you look over here, you're gonna see there's like a button here and there are some holes right here, okay? So this button, you can push it in and you push it again, it's gonna pop out, okay? So the difference between the two is the amount of water that is going to come out of this, because if you look inside, there is like a small valve right here. See my finger? I can push this thing in, it will open up and release some water out here. So if you notice, I said earlier that this thing can push in 700 gallon per hour of water, and your pump is about 1600 gallon to 3500 gallon per hour. So this thing will actually push 700 gallon per hour from here to here, plus the rest is gonna be coming out of this one right here. So make sure that you set this up properly for your pump so that this thing will move and operate properly, okay? So you want this thing down if your pump is between 1600 and 2100 gallon, and you want it up when your pump is between 2100 gallon to 3500 gallon per hour. Now to install this, a lot of people gets confused about vacuums because they thought that a vacuum will go into the suction side so that the dirt gets sucked in. So this is not the way this thing works. This thing actually goes into the pressure side, which is the port that push the water back into your pool. So I have this thing lying around here. So this is actually the INTEX I think, I'm not sure what's called, but it actually give a hydro action into your pool so that you have cleaner water. What you need to do is just remove this, okay? And inside this, you're going to see that you have the big connection fitting right here, and you also have a, I think this is a 3 1/4 circumference port right here. So this thing can actually go into that port right here, into the middle, okay? So it comes with this screen filter. This screen filter goes inside this, and I noticed that this thing actually fits right here perfectly. See that? So I can just put it like this and then install it like this, okay? And then the hose goes in here and into this one right here, the port in the front, because the water comes out from here. Some of you that have the smaller pool, you might have something like this. So you just want to remove that cover, put this screen filter right here, and use this one right here to connect, okay? Now this thing also comes with this another ring right here, so I'm not sure when you will need to use it, but you can also use it if you don't want to lose your filter. You can actually use this and put it here, and this is the same size as this, so you can also put this in here, okay? Okay, so to install the hose, you can see right here, this thing will actually spin. Okay, so in order for you to install the hose, you want to push this thing in as you install it, so that this thing will latch somewhere inside, so it bites and it gets stuck right there, okay? And then after that, you just pull it, now it spins again. So this one right here, all I need to do is just push it in, push it down, and spin, and turn it clockwise, okay? So now this thing is installed. So next is we just have to put it into the water. Okay, so all you have to do is throw it in. Okay, and then turn on your pump, and you can see the water is coming out. It's starting to move. It's gonna go to the wall first because there's no water inside the vacuum yet, and after that it's gonna start going down and go into the floor, and then every time it goes to the side, it goes up to the wall again. It goes like this, and then goes up, and then goes up, and then goes everywhere. Okay, so I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.